Welcome to our new exciting video. Today we are exploring 100 trending nail arts, origin and significance. Here we will explore the historical roots of nail art and its cultural significance from ancient civilization to modern trends. Nail art has a rich and diverse heritage. This page will emphasize how nail art competitions have become integral in celebrating an artistry within the nail care industry, giving artists a chance to shine and pushing the boundaries to create expression. Preparing for the competition. In these sections, we will take a closer look at the behind the scenes process that artists undergo before a nail art competition, from selection a theme to meticulously planning designs and gathering materials. We will highlight the dedication and efforts that goes into creating standard nail art pieces. Completion day. These pages will offer a glimpse into the excitement of the competition day. We will discuss the setup of the competition venue, complete with nail stations and judging panels. By capturing candidate moments, will convey the mix of nervousness and camaraderie that fills all the air as artists set up their workstations. Interviews with participants will allow us to hear about their motivations, aspirations, and expectations for competitions. Nail Artistry Unleashed, showcasing a curated selection of nail art designs from the competitions will be the focus of this page. We will highlight the diverse styles, techniques, and themes that participants have chosen for their creations. By displaying a range of designs, we will emphasize the innovations and artistic expressions that nail artists bring to their work. Judging criteria. Here we will dive into the criteria that are used to evaluate the nail art entries, balancing elements such as creativity, technique, and theme adherence is crucial in determining the winners. This page will shed light on the entries of judging nail art as a unique art form behind the challenges. So, behind the scenes with judge, this segment will offer insight into the perspectives for the judge. We will conduct interviews with experienced nail artists, industry experts, and influencers who are part of the judging panel. Their viewpoints will provide a deeper understanding of nail art as it evolves within the industry. Challenges and triumphs. Exploring the challenge faced by participants during the competitions will add depth to the narrative by sharing stories of artists who overcome obstacles and setbacks. We will highlight their resilience and determinations that underlie the creations of exceptional nail art. So, expressing in identity through nails. In these sections, we will discuss how nail art can serve as a medium for self expression, while feature artists who incorporate personal narratives or cultural elements into their designs, showcasing how nails can become a canvas of telling meaningful stories. Workshops and networking. This page will highlight any workshops or networking events that accompany the competitions. We will emphasize the value of knowledge sharing and community building within the nail art industry. This adds a layer of education and connections to the competition's experience. The grand finale. Building anticipations. This page will set the scenes of climatic moment. The announcement of the competition winners will capture the excitement and tension leading to up to the announcement, everything the range of emotions experienced and participants. Winners showcase. In these segments, we will showcase the winning nail art designs and feature interviews with the winning with the winning with the winners. Sorry, this will give viewers insight into the inspiration techniques as aspirations of these talent artists. Conclusion. The final page will wrap up the video by reflecting on the diversity and innovation witnessed throughout the competitions. So, we will discuss the impact that such events have on nail art industry growth and recognitions as a legitimate art form. The conclusion will encourage viewers to explore nail art and participants as a unique channel